everybody, welcome back to our channel, my channel. Today we have a new dance portfolio. It's a sexy dance. The title of the song is called Shot Clock by LMI. Alright, so let's start. Alright, let's start. So from here, close your feet first. Wow, so many weird shoes. So from here, you're gonna go open up your chest like 1, 2, go 3, 4, down on 5, look on 6, 7, grab, and 8. You got it? One more time, let's do it slowly. So from here, 6, 7, pop, 1. So don't bounce this one, just stay like that. 7 and go 1, 2, 3, 4. So you need to touch your pepe. Sorry. 4, go 5. Leap on 6. Point to your left. 7, grab, and 8. So your hand and your legs are at the same time closer. And 8. Let's do it faster. Alright. Let's do it faster. 5, 6, 7, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So when you do this, you're gonna flip your hair. I don't have, I just cut it. So use it. Be careful, don't hit your head on the wall. One more time. 5, 6, 7, pop. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boogie. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And for this one, releve up. You're gonna need to releve up, releve up. 7, 6, 7, 7, and 8. All right, for the last time. 5, 6, 7, slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, from here, 7 and 8. So for the legs, for the braid, ta-ra-ra. So step right, left to the front. Your hand goes like this. Ta-ra-da. 6, 7, and ta-ra-ra. So 1 and 2. Then circle on 3. Lift on 4. One more time. 6, 7, and go 1 and 2. Down. Literally, you can use 2 hands or 1 hand. 1 and 2. 3, lift on 4, then hips 5, 6, 7, and drop on 8. One more time. 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Got it? Let's combine from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Okay, from here, so move back a little bit. From here, you're gonna go recover to the side. 1, 2. I have calves, basically 1, 2, you're gonna go 3, tap your, just 3, open on 4, hack, 4, then you're gonna go hips on 5, 6, 7, 8, as simple as that. 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, hips 5, 6, 7, 8. Copy? 8, 1, 1, 2. Yes, until there first. So from here, 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4. Hips 7, 8. 1, 2. Yes, let's start from the beginning. Okay, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, hip, and 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, hip, 6, 7, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Yes. Next, from here, 1, 2, go up on 3, not 2. Sorry about that. 3, then 4. Step on 5, 6, 7, close on 8. Simple as that. One more time. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Step open 5, 6, 7, close on 8. Alright? Copy? Let's try from here. So 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, close. Good job. Next, you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Close on 5, 6, 7, 8. Simple as that. There's a problem, you have knee problem. You got this. So 5, 6, close 7, 8. Go. Pull yourself. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry. 7, not on 8. Alright, always make mistake on the count. One more time. 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 on 8. Let's start from the beginning first. So 5, 6, 7, slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step slowly. 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Good job. Alright, let's go on. From here, this is simple. Step 1, 2, 3, and 4. Step left, right, 5. Lift on 6. Sit on 7. Wave on 8. 1 and freeze. Pose. Any pose you like. Alright, let's try again. 5, 6, what's the last step? So 7, walk. 1, 2, step, and 4. So remember, 6, 7, and 1, 2, close. Okay, 3 and 4. You're gonna sit on 5, open on 6, 7, 8, 1, and freeze. 2. Any pose, you can just, okay? For the last time. So 7, nod, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Sit, lift, 7, 8, 1, pose. Actually, the pose is 3 because that's the snare. Alright, for now we do 2. But you will hear it later. Okay, let's start from the beginning. All of it. Slow. So 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hit. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 3, 5, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slowly. 7, close, going down. 2, 3, 4, close. 5, 6. Here we go. 1, 3, 4, 5. Lift, hips. 8. 1, 2, 4. Good job. Okay, from here. So remember, from 8. 1, 2, 3. Then slowly up. 5, 6. Then 7 and 8. That's easy. Next, from 7, 8, walk to your, going to your left, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, close on 4, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, close. Got it? Wait, what was this? Excuse me. This is 5, 6. Copy, then lift on 7. Drop on 8. And recover. That's it. Let's try one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk to your left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excuse me. 5, 6, 7. Drop on 8. Recover. And smile to the camera. Lips. One more time. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excuse me. 6, 7. Drop 8. Slow. Yes. Okay, from here. Let's pick up from 7, 8. Walk. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Slowly. 5, 6, 7. Walk. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excuse me. 6, 7. Drop 8. Alright, good job. That's it. Let's start from the beginning. Ready? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hips. 7, 8. 1, 2. Away. And 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slowly. 7. Going down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you like that choreography. They are separated, alright? They don't like each other. Alright, please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment on our video, okay? See you next time. Bye-bye.